Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today I'll talk about my favorite gas additive. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. It helps me a lot. It motivates me to create more useful videos. Alright, going back. I have tried a lot of injector cleaners, fuel stabilizers, and octane boosters. And I will create another separate video where I show you how octane boosters are a waste of money. So when I keep my vehicle stored for a prolonged period of time, especially in winter, what I do is I take about half a liter of this and I put it in the gas tank along with the other fuel, which keeps the fuel more fresh throughout the winter. I have tried using a lot of other products. As an example, one product will just clean the injectors, another product I can use as a fuel conditioner, or a separate product which will claim to boost the octane level in the gasoline, which it's a scam. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that will prove that. Finally, I settled down on the Lucas product because it cleans the injectors and conditions the fuel, and I don't have to buy two items. And on top of that, it comes in this 3.5 liter jug, or 1 gallon jug, and it's only $37, whereas these little 200 ml bottles themselves are $10. I don't use this every time I fill up my tank. On my Santa Fe, it's a 65 liter tank. Usually what I do is I add about 200 ml to a full tank of gas, and I will use it once a month, and I drive about 5,000 kilometers a month, so I would use it, I would say, every 12th time or 13th time I fill up my tank, because once you use it, once your injectors are clean, you can't re-clean them, so you have to wait when they clog up again. So I use it every month. On the other hand, on a GDI engine, this is not enough. On a regular engine, this will clean the valves, the intake valves and the injectors, but on a GDI engine, because the injectors are inside the cylinder and the valves are on top of the injectors, so it won't clean the intake valves. So for that, check out my other video. If you have any questions regarding this product, please leave it at the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you to the best of my knowledge. And if you like the video, please click the like button and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos.